came out to watch a killing machine. I think flight radar's telling me a lie. But heavily scarred over there. Oh, that sun though is really headache material. My God. In contrast, if I'm pointing camera in the right direction, we've got an English squeezy jet that isn't spraying, funny enough. Just leaving a quite a long contrail, but if that's pointing in the right direction, I can't see a frigging thing for the sun. But it's heading over that way now. Somewhere over there. That's a contrail. Get my bearings on here. Heading towards that aerial. Yeah, I found it, there we are. That's English squeezy jet, not spraying. It's actually started spraying, what a bastard. It's turned the bloody sprays on. So much for being a contrail. Oh well. Such is life. A dirty bastard. Anyway, I can track that one. He started spraying roughly over that area. See where the engines are over that area, I'll get it right, and you can see where the engines are separated there. A thick trail over that way. Now, while I'm here, use of frequencies up there. A lot of frequencies. Look like ripples on a beach. And down the end of the street, the Pennine route, there's 3 distinct trails that are standing out. I can get my bearings on that one. Down there. 3 trails there. That's the Lufthansa trail up there. Frequencies there. And the squeezy jet trail over there. Old chems. Frequencies. No guarantees that can be seen. Squeezy jet trail in the bottom. There's another one gone straight over, he started spraying. Probably over Durham, I'm guessing. Over the top of that lamp. And there's one that isn't spraying. Anyway, over the top of that one. I can't make out a bloody thing on there. No, I can't see that. We've got one coming over the top now, spraying. Dirty trail. pushing my luck zooming in, aren't I? Trailed right across. Dirty bastard. Sorry I'm not so steady. There's not a lot I can do about it. I'll go and see who that one is. Confirm the EasyJet. Right, I've left that one on just to confirm it. It's a SqueezyJet Golf Echo Zulu Whiskey India going from Edinburgh to Berlin. Flight details, an Airbus. There's a snot rocket. Right, one just going over now. Well, just gone over. Dirty trail. You never guess who. Yep. Killing machine. Aberdeen to Amsterdam. Just gone straight overhead actually. Doesn't quite look it on there, but what the hell. That one. KLM Shitty Hopper. Papa Hotel Echo X-Ray India. One of those Embraer things. Aberdeen, Amsterdam, snot rocket, and flight details. Dirty, very dirty.